Hey there, how's everyone doing today? Today we're taking a look at a G-Shock. This is one of the hottest watches around, and so I figured we'd do an unboxing of it. GA2110SU. There you go, let's take a look at this guy. And of course the usual G-Shock packaging. You know, I'm not too crazy about their packaging, but it's a great watch for a great price. So let's take a look. And boom, there you go. All stuffed in there. There's a little booklet, the warranty card, and let's get this out of the way. And there, you can see the watch. Well, not really, but let's take a look at it. Yeah, this G-Shock has been really popular, this style of G-Shock, I should say. The red ones you see sold out everywhere. This is the new military-inspired one. So these are what they call the utility colors, and this model again is the GA2110SU-3A, and this is basically the GA2100 series. It's a thinner G-Shock lineup, and it's these new models have those really cool octagon shapes. And you can see it, it's reminiscent of course of some of the older G-Shock models, but with the new head shape. So let's go. We got another unboxing we're going to do here, and this way we can compare these two new military inspired colors, or what they like to call a utility color. And here, let's open up the box, same as the last box. This model we're looking at is the GA2100SU-1A, and same box and same stuff popping out. Let's take a look at it here, and let's get the plastic off. This is a really cool one. I like watches with a little bit of a different look, and this one here, I'm glad they didn't cover the whole watch with the camouflage. They just do it on the bezel and with the black everywhere else. It's just real cool, sharp looking watch. It just gets your attention, and it's not like, you know, tacky. So very cool addition to the new GA2100 series. Both these models, let's take a look at them side by side. So if you can't decide which one, here are the two you can take a look at. Now the one with the green and the black, that one is traditional G-Shock colors you'll see a lot. The other one's more, even though they're both military inspired, the other one with the camouflage makes you think a little more military-ish, but they're really thin, and every time I hold them I'm always surprised at how thin they are compared to traditional G-Shocks. Alright, so here we are. Let's try it on my wrist. My wrist is about a 7.5 inch wrist, and you can see there, even though it's a thinner watch, it does not feel like a small watch. If you're used to wearing bigger G-Shocks, this one will feel smaller to you, but it's a nice size. I always have people asking me, they love the G-Shock, they just don't want one as thick and as bulky looking, as you can see there. And now here with the green one, it's hard to pick them. They're both really cool styles. Again, a 7.5 inch wrist, and you can see there the thinness. It feels like I'm not really wearing anything when it comes to a wristwatch on. You can beat it up. It's a G-Shock, which is nice, and you don't have to worry about it. Now let's take a look in the dark, and they've got the glow in the dark hands there, a little bit of lume. So you know, that's cool, but let's take a look when you put the light button on, and let's push it on there. There we go. So there you go, the little LED. Thanks guys, have a good